I am Aiza Ali and you are watching Saiba News HD. Now we adding some important news.
Breaking news, adding news from Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. Renowned former first-class cricketer of Pakistan and ICC qualified coach Mohammad Nadeem Babar now special coaching the Cricket Saudi International Academy in Riyadh. Former captain of the Saudi national team Mohammad Nadeem Babar has produced talented players who are making waves in cricket world. The academy is now offering regular coaching sessions for aspiring boys for girls cricketers aged 8 to 25. Don't miss this opportunity to hone your skills and to take your game to the next level. Contact us to register and get trained by the best.
For updates, connect with Saiba News HD.